many hours a day your kids watch TV? Well, Michael Padula has a recent report that will have you thinking twice before picking up the remote control. Michael?
Thanks, Christy. You might want to cut back your kids' TV time because studies show there's a direct link between the hours of television watched and childhood obesity.
We all have something to give.
The average child spends more time watching television, video game, and computer screens than doing any other activity except sleeping, says the National Institute on Media and the Family. So the next bit of information should come as no surprise. Kids who watch more than 3 hours of TV a day are 50% more likely to become obese than children who watch less than 2 hours. Add a TV in the bedroom, and the odds of the child being overweight shoot up 31% for every hour watched. The numbers are staggering. What should you do? For children under the age of 10, limit the viewing time to 7 hours per week. Remove screens from the bedroom, and for toddlers under the age of 2, no television viewing at all. By limiting their time spent sitting in front of various screens will free up hours for reading or becoming physically active, both of which are much more beneficial to your child's overall health. So try to limit the time spent in front of the tube, and remember to turn it off during meals. After all, a healthy lifestyle does not start by sitting down.